I like being alone. Not because I don't care, but because peace feels better than forced conversations. I like quiet mornings with no expectations. Long walks where I can hear my own thoughts. Moments that belong only to me. Once I feared silence.
Golden brown texture
I
like
crave
sun lays me down.
Because when you stop needing
with
others to
my
fill the emptiness,
shields throughout
you
the
realize
night. No need to
it was never
fight,
emptiness at all.
never frown.
Just space,
Brown.
waiting to be understood. Solitude isn't loneliness,
Every time,
It's clarity.
just like the lost
and in the
on the
quiet,
ship, tied to
I finally
the
met the
mast.
person I was always searching
Distant
for.
lands takes both my
Myself.
hands